Hey, what's going on guys? Eric here from Eric and Miles, and tomorrow I'm actually heading out on the raft trip that we started planning last year. I posted something a couple weeks ago about building it and starting the documentary, but we've had to push it off because of weather reasons, and this weekend it's looking really nice, so we're leaving tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. and I figured why not make a video about what I'm bringing in my documentary filmmaking bag. I tried to make this as light as possible, but I couldn't, it's still pretty heavy. It's a lot heavier than my everyday minimal bag. So yeah, this is what I'm bringing to film the documentary with, and let's get right into the overhead view.
Alright, so this is the bag I'm using. I can't really remember what it is. I bought this about 2 years ago, and I've had it ever since then. I bought it when I had my DJI Phantom. That's what I bought it for. But yeah, it's pretty nice. I mean, it's nothing like super special, it just can fit a lot in it, so that's why I'm bringing it. Let's start with the side pouch. With the tripod I'm bringing is the Cat Direct K1550. I'm not really sure why, but this tripod has actually gotten discontinued on Amazon. I bought it for like $50 and it's insanely good. I bought that a long time ago. Let's get into the front pouch. I had to switch sides to get into this side, but got a front pouch here, and what I have inside that is my chargers. I have a micro USB which can plug into a lot of my chargers. This is pretty much just the drone charger. Further in we have Sony charger. I'm bringing 10 batteries, so I don't think I'll have to use it, but it's just a USB charging port. Further in we got this, my GoPro charger. This is just a regular, I think it's like 2 or 3 feet long GoPro charger, and I'm pretty sure that's it, other than I will be bringing my phone charger also. So I'm just gonna load this back up. Now we're getting into the good stuff. Yeah, let's unzip this. Just start from the top. So up top I have my drone, the DJI Spark, in its protective case, set up with an extra battery, both fully charged. Just keep that sitting right on top, and also always bring the charger so I can get cinematic shots. Right here I would have my Sony A7 with the Rokinon 14 2.8 on, but that is what I'm filming on right now, so I don't, this is just the lens cap. I'll go from this side and like zigzag through. So here I have the Sony FE24-70 f4 Zeiss, really great, really sharp lens. And further back I have the FE 50mm 1.8. I'm gonna use this for interview shots and such. Some low light, nice, very nice aperture, 1.8. Further back, you can't see it, but there's a pouch, and back here I have audio stuff. Right here I have an audio mic extension for interviews. I can connect this to my camera and get audio from about 10-15 feet away with this extender. And even further in, I have this, a lav mic that I can clip onto someone, record with my phone or something, but I hardly ever use this, just bring it just in case. So I'm gonna put that back in its case. All right, here I have an APS-C lens, the Mikey 12mm f2.8, manual lens, fully manual. Both my wide angles are manuals, but I don't know, I don't mind it that much. Then right here I have the Movo VXR10. Love this mic, super nice, super small, portable, and very loud. I use this on my A6300, which I'm also bringing for a B camera, just in case I need to without this, or I'm taking photos or something. I'll more than likely be using this rather than this. This will be my main video camera, just because this has a better sensor. I like full frame look, and this has a very nice low light sensor. This has all right, just the low light isn't comparable, even though it shoots 4K, but yeah. Right here is some of the GoPro stuff. I have a GoPro head mount with a skeleton cage on it, and here I have the GoPro in a waterproof housing with a floaty makeshift mouth mount. GoPro Hero 4 Black, really happy with this. 1080, 120, 4K, everything I need pretty much. Used this, have had this for like maybe 2.5 years. And further down I have a waterproof bag for the whole backpack. My Joby Gorilla Pod, I'm just bringing just in case if I want to use 2 cameras at once and need a tripod for both. And this is one of my chargers. It's a 2000 milliamp portable charger. I know a lot of the other boys I'm going with are bringing bigger chargers, but this is just what I need for just my phone. It can probably charge my phone 5 times and no problem, which I think will be more than enough. I don't think I'll have to charge any of this, maybe my GoPro and maybe the drone, but I don't think I'll have to.
other than that, those two. My camera should be fine with 10 whole batteries. So let's pack this all up. And up here, I have in the top pouch, I have my SD cards. I think I have 3 32s in here, and that should be enough with my 64 in this and another 32 in here. So let's get into this pouch, which is just a buttload of batteries. 3 GoPro batteries, an absolute ton of Sony batteries. Like this isn't even all of them. And I'm bringing an extra 9-volt for my Rode VideoMic Pro. So yeah, that's what's in my bag. Let's get into the face view again. All right, and that is it. That's what I'm bringing tomorrow for the next 2 or 3 days. We're gonna camp out on the shore or an island on the river. Really excited. Dang, I forgot. I didn't even tell you what I'm doing. Anyways, yeah, if you like this video, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Consider sharing with a friend if you thought it was helpful. Check out some more of our other content, and I will see you tomorrow.
At a Clippers game on the court side. Watch a nigga shoot like a 4-5. They mad at me too, I got more fire. Why these bitches see